Today, we will learn how to suggest going out to your friends in Korean. Do you remember? Shall we be friends? 우리 친구할래요? So, when you put shall, it is 을래요. If you want to go shopping, shall we go shopping? Shall, 을래요? Go, 가요. 갈래요? We, 우리. Shall we go shopping? 우리 쇼핑 갈래요? 우리 쇼핑 갈래요? If you need to buy a lot of things today, what about going to department store? Shall we go to a department store? Shall we go? 우리 갈래요? Department store. 백화점. 백화점. Shall we go to a department store? 우리 백화점 갈래요? 우리 백화점 갈래요? The weather is so good today. I want to walk around. Shall we go for a walk? Shall we go? 우리 갈래요? Walk. 산책. 산책. Shall we go for a walk? 우리 산책 갈래요? 우리 산책 갈래요? After walking around, we might be a little bit tired. What about we take a rest? Shall we take a rest for a moment? Shall we take a rest? Do you remember I want to take a rest in Korean? 쉬고 싶어요. So, shall we take a rest? 쉴래요? 우리 쉴래요? For a moment. 잠깐. 잠깐. Shall we take a rest for a moment? 우리 잠깐 쉴래요? 우리 잠깐 쉴래요? What about going to a cafe? I want to drink some coffee and talk with you. Shall we go to a cafe? Cafe is 카페 in Korean. Shall we go to a cafe? 우리 카페 갈래요? 우리 카페 갈래요?